Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have this cordless rotary sander. So we're gonna go ahead and check this thing out, see how this works. So it comes with a bunch of discs, really nice. Comes with the device here. And look at this, it comes with this plug, which is gonna give us power through our battery over here. Look at that, that's cool. So what kind of battery does that take? Does it take this thing? Gonna do it? Let's see. Oh, it's gonna be Makita. So let me go find my Makita and then be right back. Let's see. We have a little dust area thing here. Let's just check that out there. So that's gonna be on here. So that's where our dust will collect as we're sanding. That'll go into there. Okay, so there we go. Now let me check my batteries over here and see where Makita one is. That's, is that it? I guess that may be it. Let's see. I have to do something to turn it on. Let me check on this, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm a moron. You just push the button right here. So there we go. So we have an Orbital sander with a battery that connects up to there. So that's it there. So this one here, I think it's a Makita type battery, but okay. But then inside the box, it came with a bunch of sanding discs that we can use. So let's see what we got here. We have 320, that's gonna be really smooth. We have 120, P80, and it looks like that's probably it. Those three different ones. So let's just go ahead and take a P80. And we try to line up the holes as best we can, but as we know, it's never perfect, but pretty good. Actually, I did pretty good there. Okay, and then we can turn it on, and you'll see I have the disc moving, and it's on level 1, and it'll go all the way up to 6. So that it just ground away that whole edge of that box in a second. So that is it there, very cool. And then the dust accumulates in here and we can clean that out. So I'm gonna say this is a nice little setup here. And then I can put this on my belt. What's good about it is that you don't have the weight on this. The weight is gonna be held on your belt. So that's why it's good to have that wire that just goes to here. So you can still take it with you if you need to. So very cool, nice little setup. I like it, thumbs up.